do? There are no issues there, say with the Philippine Fault or with the
West Valley Fault?
with West Valley Fault.
Well, the issue is not to build a house directly on top of it. If you have a spillway, no problem.
No problem.
Nobody will get killed.
No, unless that spillway is sort of like a tunnel form
Yes.
that will break, and then that will cause further flooding where the
Well,
break may
it's
cause.
underground, so
It's underground,
essentially, it's like a big canal with culvert,
Still,
so it's
yeah.
not a big issue.
Kuala Lumpur had something like
Yeah,
that.
the smart
diba?
tunnel
Na it doubles as a
system.
uh,
When there's excess water, the expressway gets flooded with the water. So that can be done.
Why haven't we pursued this? This was 30 years ago.
Well, you look at the timing. This was the start of the 80s, and nauna yung Manggahan. So it got finished, I think, 82. So the next one was supposed to be Parañaque. By 83, there were problems already.
There was political
with government.
turmoil in the Philippines at that time, so changes in government results in changes in priorities.
And it was forgotten.
yeah, but sir, I mean, here to the side of government, now we hear about build. We hear about highways, we hear about bridges. What are things in terms of flood mitigation or spillways that maybe we're not aware of?
Oh, well, actually, for MMDA, we're just trying to modernize now our pumping stations because, as like what Dr. Solidomo said, there are flooding in the urban areas caused by the rain itself, right? Not coming from the valley or not coming from the mountains. So these are the things that we want to do now is to let the flood subside as soon as possible to ease the pain from those who are affected.